In a like back. Hey. If you're as excited as I am today, you would love this 1 minute blender cake, aka lazy chocolate cake, aka emergency cake. This is my version of this recipe posted by a YouTuber I follow. Her name is MS Goodies. I'll leave her link in the description box. Now let's get baking. For our ingredients, I have here some flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, sugar, some melted butter, lemon juice, some milk, baking soda, salt, and an egg. So into my blender, I'll be adding in my wet ingredients first. So I'm adding my milk, and then in goes my melted butter. My egg then follows. Now I'll go ahead and add in my dry ingredients. So what I did was to reduce the amount of sugar that MS Goodies used because of my boys, but you're free to increase or decrease the amount of sugar. The lemon juice goes in last. See it react with my baking soda. So now we are ready to blend. So Emma advises that if you have a medium powered blender, blend between 15 to 20 seconds. If your blender is high powered, 10 seconds is good enough. So once my mixture is ready, I'll go ahead and pour it into an oiled and floured baking pan, and then I'll bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Now if this is your first time here, I hope you enjoy your stay. Please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future posts. And if you're a returning subscriber, I am so blessed to have you here. So as you can see, my lazy chocolate cake, aka 1 minute blender cake, aka emergency cake, is ready. Emma made a frosting for this, but I don't want any added sugar because of the boys, like I said, so I'm going to leave the frosting out. This pairs well with some tea, some ice cream, and it's so moist, trust me. I was super excited how it came out, and I hope you do try this recipe and let me know how it went for you, because who doesn't like lazy cakes? I want to say thank you to MS Goodies for sharing this amazing recipe. Also, do not forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked this video, and please keep sharing my content. It's been amazing coming your way as always, and until we see each other again in my next video, keep blooming.